Chapter 3, Force and Pressure. Exercise question number 5. Complete the following table. अब उसमें फर्स्ट टेबल में क्या गिवन है? मास, वॉल्यूम, डेंसिटी. अब उसमें फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम में मास गिवन है 350 kg, वॉल्यूम गिवन है 175 मीटर क्यूब. क्या फाइंड करना है? डेंसिटी. देन इन दैट अगेन सेकंड क्वेश्चन में वॉल्यूम दिया हुआ है एंड डेंसिटी गिवन है. वॉल्यूम और डेंसिटी गिवन है. क्या फाइंड करना है? मास. फर्स्ट टेबल में क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में हमें मास इज गिवन 350 kg. देन वॉल्यूम इज आल्सो गिवन 175 मीटर क्यूब. व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड? डेंसिटी. हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? डेंसिटी. दैट इज टू फाइंड. So here we have to apply the formula density equals to mass upon volume. क्या फाइंड करना है हमें? डेंसिटी. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम. नाउ वी हैव टू वैल्यू. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू? वैल्यू ऑफ मास 350. वैल्यू ऑफ वॉल्यूम 175. So by dividing, what is the answer? 2. So what is the unit? Kg per meter cube. Kg is the unit of mass and meter cube is the unit of volume. So in second question, what is given? Volume, that is 190 meter cube. Density is given. How much it is? 4 kg per meter cube. क्या फाइंड करने में? वी हैव टू फाइंड द मास, दैट इज 2 फाइंड. नाउ अप्लाई द सेम फार्मूला. व्हाट इज द फार्मूला? डेंसिटी इक्वल्स टू मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम. हियर डेंसिटी दैट इज 4. मास वी हैव टू फाइंड, सो राइट एज इट इज मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम 190. So mass equals to 190 into 4. क्या हो जाएगा? मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. So by multiplying you will get 760. So beta unit of mass is kg. So now fill the answer in the table. So when mass is 350, volume is 170, we got the density, that is 2. Unit is already given, kg per meter cube. Now in second question, when volume is 190 and density is 4, so your mass is 760 kg. Now in second table, density of metal and then density of water and relative density is given. Now in that first question, we have to find the density of metal. What is given? Density of water, that is 10 cube, and relative density is 5. In the second question, density of metal is given and density of water is given. We have to find the relative density. So for that we have to apply the formula. Relative density of substance is equals to density of substance divided by density of water. Now in table 2, density of water is given, that is 10 cube. Relative density is given 5. So what we have to find? Density of metal, that is 2, 5. So for this we have to apply the formula. Relative density of substance is equals to density of substance divided by density of water. Now here density of substance, that is we have to find. Density of water 10 cube and relative density 5. So relative density, put the value 5. Density of substance we have to find. That is we have to find. And density of water 10 cube. Therefore density of substance equals to how much? 5 into, यहाँ इधर आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? मल्टीप्लाई 5 into 10 cube. Now second question, density of metal is given, that is 8.5 into 10 cube. Density of water given, that is 10 cube. What we have to find? Relative density. Fine. The unit is kg per meter cube. Here also unit is kg per meter cube. Now what is the formula? Relative density equals to density of substance divided by density of water. So here density of substance is 8.5 into 10 cube divided by density of water is 10 cube. Now 10 cube cancel. So the answer is 8.5. So relative density have no unit because kg per meter cube cancel. So it is, answer is only 8.5. So fill in the blank in the table. So in first question, when density of water is 10 cube and relative density is 5, so we got density of metal is how much? 5 into 10 cube. Unit is already given, kg per meter cube. In second question, when density of metal is 8.5 into 10 cube and density of water is 10 cube, the answer is 8.5. Now in third table, we have to find the weight when area and pressure is given in first question. And in second question, weight is given and area is given, we have to find the pressure. For that we have to apply formula, pressure is equals to force upon area. Here weight means force. Now in first question, here we have to find weight. Area is given 0.04 meters square and pressure is given, how much it is? 20,000 Newton per meter square. Okay. Now here we have to apply the formula, pressure is equals to force upon area. Now here force is a weight. Here force is a weight. So now force means weight. So we have to find pressure. How much? 20,000. And force means what? We have to find, let it be weight, upon area. How much it is? 0.04. Therefore weight equals to 20,000 into 0.04. So by multiplying you will get 800. So unit is Newton. Now in second question, weight, how much it is? 1500 Newton. Area is given, that is 500 meters square. What we have to find? Pressure. So now here we can apply formula. Pressure is equal to force upon area. So in place of force, we can write weight. So weight upon area. So how much it is? Weight is 1500 Newton. Area 500 meters square. So now by dividing 500 ones are 500, 500 3s are. So what is the answer then? 3 Newton meters square. Now fill blank in the table. So when area is 0.04 and pressure is 20,000, so weight, how much? We got weight 800 Newton. Now in second time, when weight is 1500 and area is 500, so we got answer 3, pressure is how much? 3 Newton per meter square.